National People's Party (NPP) leader Hima M. Shangpliang on Tuesday clarified the purpose behind the formation of the All Political Party Committee (APPC), which has been constituted to deliberate on contentious issue of introducing railway connectivity in Meghalaya, particularly in the Khasi Hills. Shangpliang's statement comes in the wake of the Indian National Congress and the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) publicly declining to participate in the APPC. He emphasized that the committee was formed to gather the views of all political parties on whether or not railway projects should proceed in the state. According to Shangpliang, responsible parties should be willing to come to the table for discussions to help reach a viable and lasting solution to the issue. In parallel, Shangpliang noted that the state government also plans to establish a consultative committee comprising pressure groups, civil society organizations and other stakeholders. This body will help the government understand broader public sentiment on the railway issue, for which funding had already been sanctioned by the central government.
Pi hakajing keno jong party congress ba ong ba kumba pi ong pi mentan ba lese bangim don lat chu da kumwei ngathrai ngan punshai da kumni ba kani ka project jo ka railway kamdei ka project ka batmai mentan kalau don la slemba wat ya ka pisa ru ladap sanction na kalian ke sarkar kami badai ban ong ban sedang no ya ki kam dan ye ban survey ban kumta tetel andre andangi la sutu ba na kalian kiseng balang bat na kiwe kiseng ladon ke jing persya kani na kalian ke sarkar jongi ngila perkat ba bat ngila perkat sani kani ka kamba kumungin le langi kuat railway ni ngim kuat railway te kumala patai mene kijing mentoiru kidon kijing maru kidon te bangi ong badon jingma bad jing mentoi te kabha bangi kiar shwa bangin pej kumnungin penbek ni kakam te ndangi lai shong la ai jingmut hapo ke cabinet la ai jingmut u chief minister jongi ba ong batong ini phai biang sha ki political party ban pan ya ka jingmut jongki da ka ba constitute ya ka ni all political party committee de hang ni kin mangas ong ba lada ka congress lani ka VPP ka sngo ba don ka ta responsibility ka jingkit clear de ngi sngo ba kiru ki ban wan ban shimbentalang ban ai ya ki jingmut jongki khnang ba ka jingmut jongki ngin yo ba ngin record yaki bat le se da ka banjing punsuto na kaliang ka sarkar rio kidang don ki doubts ha ka main joki le singi ngin clear ki doubts jongki kata kare te ladang ngimwan ha ka meet ban ya kren kamot kamdon kano ka solution bat pinumla hi ban yo ya ka jing punshai ladang idon ha ka meet ban ya kren kamot ngila mangin punshai ya kino ki doubts but dai dang bat punshai but juro bangin say de ya kita ki solutions ba kumno ngin penbek ya kan ya kam ban ya daru hak jo kapol but jo ban ai ke jing toy ya upai pa ya ka sur jong ka sarkar ya kata ngin numla mangin ong namar ka syong hakarai jong sarkar la kinya syakmat ne kimya syakmat ndrei kumbang isu thu na kalian ka party kumangal ong ye pi menne ba ka all political party committee la constitute but la khot ban shong anda la dep ya kani kandon de sakaway kata ka de ka consultative committee ban consult de saya ki sing bhalang kum ki KCU KFKGP kum ta ter but kumangal ong pi ya kisim ki sordar ki doloi kita bar khot ngin ya khot lang ya ki mangini shim ya kajing ai jing mut jongki bat kumjo ya karai joki